Hey guys, I'm Prachi, and today I'm going to do a quick overview of Scratch. So, if you've never used Scratch before, this can be an introduction, and if you have used Scratch before, you can use this as a review. So, we're going to start over here in the stage. As you can see, the Scratch cat is already there. If you look down here, you can see all of the cat's attributes. So the first thing is its name is Sprite1. We can change that so its name can be cat, which is a more descriptive name, so that is helpful. Here we can either have it show or hide and then show again. If in the game you don't want the sprite to show up, you don't want to delete it, you can just have it hide. The next thing is size. You can make it bigger or you can make it smaller, and that can be controlled in whichever way that you want to. And then over here you have direction, so you can turn it to be pointing in this direction or in this direction, and if you want it to turn completely, you can press this and then make it do a little loop. So yeah, the final thing that you can see here is this X and Y. So as you can see in the X, there's this arrow going this way, and for the Y, there's this arrow going this way. So to better explain how that works, we are going to go switch our backdrop. So that's like the background. We can pick whichever background we want. For now, we're going to use one that I've already made, which shows this sort of coordinate grid. So this line going like this is the x-axis. This line going like this is the y-axis. So every position on the stage can correspond to an x-coordinate and a y-coordinate. For example, on the x-axis, this is 50, and on the y-axis, this is 50. So this position would be 50, 50. So if we were to go to the cat sprite, and here for X put in 50, and here for Y also put in 50, you'd see that the cat would move there to 50, 50. If we did negative 50, 50, it would move there, negative 50, negative 50, there, and finally 50, negative 50, there. So as you can see, the cat's position corresponds with those two X and Y numbers. You can also drag the cat anywhere you want on the screen, and the X and Y numbers will match up with the cat's position.